Introducing Electrogenic, the British EV technology company renowned for its classic car EV conversions. With the surging demand for clean, efficient, and reliable EVs on both sides of the Atlantic, Electrogenic has expanded its international network of installers for its transformative drop-in EV conversion kits. Electrogenic's Oxford, UK-based network of expert installers will fit their plug-and-play EV powertrain packages, bringing cutting-edge EV technology to the rapidly growing international market. Steve Drummond. We're delighted to announce the further expansion of our international partner footprint, taking our network of expertly trained partners to another level. Electrogenic works selectively with partners who share their values, focusing on quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. The network now includes specialists like Retro Defenders, known for their expertise in Land Rover Defender and series models. Knowles Wilkins Engineering, renowned for Jaguar restoration. Automotive Creation Limited, classic car specialists working with various markets. Greenwood Automotive, experts in transforming Land Rover off-roaders. Eno Kinetic, the stateside firm with a focus on British sports cars. And Whittam Engineering, offering modifications for Land Rover Defenders on the East Coast. Electrogenic's innovative drop-in kits cater to Land Rover Defender, Jaguar E-Type, classic Porsche 911, original Mini, and the Triumph Stag. Each kit is engineered with precision, featuring in-house design software, compact gearboxes, and high-density battery packs, all manufactured in the UK. With single-speed, fixed-ratio transmissions and up to 6.6 kilowatts AC charging, Electrogenic's conversions offer convenience and reliable performance. Join Electrogenic on their journey of revolutionizing classic cars with cutting-edge EV technology. Future-proof your automotive icons with sophisticated EV power. Experience the thrill of electric motoring as Electrogenic leads the way in sustainable and innovative conversions. Electrogenic, transforming classics into electric marvels.